Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I dug back into the pizza palette to create this look, and once again I tried to pick colors that I wouldn't normally reach for, so if you like how it looks, then keep on watching. So the first shade we're going to use is Hot Sauce, and I'm going to be applying that on my transition area, on my top lid, and below my lower lash line. And I'm using a fluffy brush to make sure that this color is very diffused, because this is a very blown out look. To deepen up that hot sauce shade, I'm using Pepperoni, and I'm using a slightly denser brush, but it's still fluffy because I want everything to be diffused like I said before. And I'm applying the shade in my crease and below my lower lash line. For my mobile lid, I'm using the shade Kalamata Olives, and I'm applying that dry right there on my lid, and then I'm going to go back in with Pepperoni and hot sauce to blend out the edges. And I'm also going to be applying this right below my lower lash line. To blend out the edges of this look, I went in with the shade Garlic. And then I'm using the shade Black Olives to make a shadow liner, because I'm not using any kind of like black eyeliner for this look. I'm going to be using eyeshadow. So I'm just wiggling this shadow in between my lashes on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to be using it on my upper lash line as well. Once again, just wiggling that color in between my lashes to make them look thicker. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm using the shade Pineapple. And that's pretty much the look. I don't bother doing my complexion makeup anymore because honestly you guys just want to see the eyeshadow anyway. So yeah. Anyway, if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!